What's up guys, Picking on one here, and I'm with Logan again. So we're in,
They're already here.
yeah, they're already here.
Oh,
Sorry about that. But
okay.
sorry about that guys. So we're just reviewing his wooden guns that he's got. But that's not a wooden gun, it's just Python thing. So this is
wooden gun, loud one,
SMG, and then you get another
silencer.
He's got a silencer and another SMG.
A shotgun.
And he's got a shotgun.
What's in something? I don't know. A sniper. What is hard?
Sniper.
Sniper aim.
Sniper.
And
then there's an aim. Yeah, I love using the sniper. And then like, what you do is you fire and then it's like that, and then you go. There's something wrong with the aim though, because it's always turning around, but it's down the sights. And bang! So yeah, these are all of his wooden guns.
And there's an SAS mask thing.
Yeah, SAS mask thing. But yeah, my favourite weapon is the sniper. To me it's the best. Leave in the comments what gun you like the best, and
Comment.
that's what I just said. But like if you like the video, subscribe if you want to. I'm not saying you have to. I love this.
And there'll be a part
Anyway,
3.
thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.